Welcome to our channel. Verifying your Garmin Connect account ensures security and full access to all fitness tracking and social features. Step 1. Create a Garmin Connect account or log into your existing account through the Garmin Connect website or mobile app. Step 2. Check your email inbox for the verification message that Garmin automatically sent when you created your account. Step 3. Open the verification email from Garmin and click on the verification link provided to confirm your email address. Step 4. If you can't find the email, check your spam or junk folder, as verification emails sometimes end up there. Step 5. Navigate to your account settings in Garmin Connect by clicking on your profile icon and selecting Account Settings. Step 6. Verify that your email address shows as verified in the account information section, indicated by a check mark or verified status. Step 7. Enable two-factor authentication for additional security by selecting Security in your account settings and following the setup process. Step 8. Complete your profile with accurate information and connect your Garmin devices to start tracking your fitness activities with a fully verified account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.